In this video, we will see how to change lowercase data in uppercase without using function. Let's start. This is my Excel file. I maintain here some data. I want to convert it all data in uppercase uh, without any using the function of uppercase. Okay. So if you have a huge data, you can use this trick. Just select your data and click on the font. You select the font, those are in uppercase. So I just select this one. This is uppercase font. This one. You can see here all data in converted in uppercase. That's it. Thank you. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.